My name is Henrik Nielsen and I'm representing Quicke together with our local colleagues at Rovic. This year we have our C-loader, which is the perfect loader for the small compact tractors from 25 horsepower upwards. It's a self-leveling loader with mechanical parallel linkage, allowing you to be in full control of your implement. It's as well a full-time professional loader. Even though it is small, it will have castings in the stress areas of the loader beam, allowing you to absorb a lot of stress. It should be the perfect fit for your municipal use, park maintenance, vineyards, golf courses and customers in that type of work. Another new thing we have over here is our new V-loader. Our V-loader is replacing the current X-loader. So this is intended for the utility user. But there's a significant difference. It's a brand new design. The utility segment in South Africa has developed over time. Today, the utility customer is as well in need of a more heavy-duty loader, allowing you to do stacked silage and heavy-duty bale handling in field. Therefore, the loader beam has been expanded, much bigger in size, 1 millimeter more in thickness and material, heavy-duty reinforcement in the front, brand new tool carrier, and of course as well parallel linkage. The parallel linkage is designed in a way that allows us to have the knee in a very low location, giving you the perfect visibility when sitting inside the tractor. If you're in need of any further information, then feel free to contact our local colleagues at Rovic or go and visit the Quicke website.